welcome to my channel. It's Elif. I'm going to get English video today. If you want to know how I make my makeup like this, so keep on watching. So let's start. Today I'm going to get a warm and shine look. So first step gonna be BB cream from MISSHA brand. My number is 13. I'm all the time using my finger, but now I'm getting videos, so I don't want to put them like dirty. So I will use sponge, wet sponge from H&M. If you didn't find like this, so you can go to H&M anytime. You can buy it in really cheap, but also really nice and soft. You can see, guys. So I will put 3 pump on my face. Second step gonna be concealer. I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me. My number is 10. Anyway, guys, I will write on the bottom, so if you want to know more details anytime you can read, you can let me know from comments, so we can share anytime. I will put on my face concealer with like brush. Other step gonna be bronzer. I will use from L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze. I will use like this brush. Next one gonna be, of course, blush, but exactly not like peach blush. But anyway, I will use from RIMMEL London. They made it some mix with highlighters. I really like so amazing for me. So I will take like this, like kind of the same brush, but totally is different because this one is like coming more open. So I'm taking, if I took like really more, so I'm doing like this, like click and putting them back. I will put them up and gonna bring like put down because gonna be more naturally like this, like pump like this. And also I have to blend them really smooth that they cannot see that very started blush, very started bronzer, because I really like this, like smooth and mix. This is my style. You can do how you want. Look to my cheek, guys, really nice and shiny, you can see. Okay, so next step gonna be highlighter. I like this step. I'm going to get from H&M brand, like this. I will mix them, 2 colors, like this. Of course, on my nose. Because I told you guys, today I'm going to get warm and shiny look. So, let's follow the topic. So I think, that's it. Never enough, highlighter never gonna enough for me. I like to shine, I don't know why. Who doesn't want to shine? Other step gonna be eyeshadow shimmer. You can see, guys, how it's shiny. Now next step gonna be eyeshadow, but I will put on the corner and make them really darker. So coming Revelation New Star 2 palette. So I will use this color just on the corner and of course blend them. Two color has to blend. Now I'm going to get a little bit darker color, but just a little bit. Now I will try to put here. You can use this style anytime actually, like my signature makeup, but people also saying that you can use just anytime, also just when your winter is coming, or also like autumn coming, like fall coming, and because looks like caramel, also like leaf tree color or something, so nice soul actually. Next step gonna be eyeliner. I will use from Maybelline New York. I will not put all line eyeliner because I want to make my eyes like bigger. And next step gonna be mascara from Maybelline Push Up Angel. So amazing, guys. So I have to go really deep to the mirror because I have to put them like really carefully and also 2 times, because who doesn't want to make them like bigger and longer? So let's start. You can see, guys, my mascara, how I put it, not like together, not like stick, every my eyelashes is separate, like one by one. You can see I really like Maybelline brand, so you can buy anytime. I really like, and also it's cheap, really nice, guys. So next step gonna be to make my eyebrow. How I'm making my eyebrow? Really easy, right? So just I have to push them down, yeah, and fill up the gaps, like kind of fake hair, fake eyebrow. So just fill up the gaps. And then push them up. Just like brush them up. Yeah. And that's it. You can see, guys, beginning my eyebrow is lighter and going to darker, like as a shadow. I like this. So next step gonna be, of course, lipstick and lip gloss. So first I will put from NIVEA ROSEHIP scrub, like as a base, really quicker, like this. And then, of course, because I told you guys that I'm going to get warm and shine look today, so next step gonna be, of course, lip gloss. I really like this one. I don't know from where you can find. I don't think so that you can find from Turkey. I bought from London. It smells so good, so amazing, like strawberry. Also this lip gloss making my lip really bigger, or I'm thinking like this, I don't know what. Everyone is telling me like this. So and then that's it. You can see, guys, my makeup on my face, like super glow skin, but also matte base, like really matte base, but also it's shiny. I really like, to be honest. So don't forget to follow me from YouTube, also from Instagram. If you want to see more of the makeup video from my side or English video from my side, so I can say anytime, just let me know, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope, guys, you were enjoying with this video because I got fun. So see you soon, guys.